Good afternoon, and welcome to the parent-teacher meeting that we set up to discuss your child and her academics. And let's start. So, some general observations that I made is that your child struggled with math and concept areas in which she missed time, and that that was due to her medical condition. As you know, there I noticed that there was some frustration when she couldn't complete the problems that she didn't know how to do, and that goes along with missing time. There were content areas that your child completed with little to no help from me nor any of the uh, student college volunteers, and she did amazing. And that was in the areas in which she was in class and was paying attention. When reading the math problems, she didn't have any problems reading the problems correctly. Her reading comprehension for the math problems were very accurate. The only thing was that she did hesitate and doubted herself with certain words, even though she was getting them right. And there was times in which her thoughts were elsewhere. Some areas in which I noticed that she had strengths were socially. When in recess or when in doing group activities, she was able to concentrate on the topics um, while still being able to be while still being able to make friends in the classroom. And she understood uh, the math concepts when taught in class, and had no problems with them when she was in class. The areas of needs that I noticed were emotionally. As I mentioned before, I noticed that her thoughts were elsewhere, and it to go along with already missing class time due to her condition. It doesn't help her learn if she does is not paying attention to the material being taught in class while in class. And academically, she, her area of need academically is making up the missed assignments or missed lessons that she wasn't able to learn while she was away. The summary of the content area. Recently, we've been doing a review of the entire school year and every math concept that we learned. The content areas included the addition, subtraction, multiplication, um, variable form, place values, rounding, moving from one form to another, um, and let's continue. Some of the pre-assessment results that I noticed is the student reads, your child read amazing, great, efficiently. She excelled in the following areas: addition, subtraction, and place values. But the areas that she needed additional support were rounding, standard forms, and other mathematical variable forms, multiplication, and division. Um, the lesson plan was a review of the material being covered throughout the year. There was a packet with different sections to go along with each content area within the math concepts that we learned throughout the year, and there was 5 questions to each section. There was an additional packet for extra support that was given to all students, and we did this homework in class, but through the universal design of learning, I want to be able to offer this to outside the classroom, so your child would be able to um, cover some of the material that she missed, And this would also be available to other students that need this additional support uh, from uh, uh, from their needs. Um, and in the lesson plan, there was also several activities in which the students went from zone to zone to work on math problems. Some of those zones included computers, flash drives, and teacher help. The computers helped the students still with their understand to help them their understanding of the math concepts, while finding an alternative way of doing that through technology. The flashcards was a nice way to review, and the teacher help was the additional support that is given to all students. My overall experience was she's a great child. She knows her information very well, and I feel through the additional support from me as well as you, the parents, she'll be able to do great, catch up on a lot of things that she missed throughout this year, and I also feel that she needs a little encouragement because I see that she's a very bright student, and she just needs additional support and the additional encouragement to get her to the level that I believe she has the potential to be at. And thank you.